Paula Ellis and I'm the manager here at Oriel y Parc. Oriel y Parc is a Pembrokeshire Coast National Park visitor centre, and we are also home to Amgueddfa Cymru National Museum Wales in Pembrokeshire. The building contains a Visit Wales Tourist Information Centre, a cafe, a tower which has local art exhibitions and a discovery room and an artist in residence studio. So it's a very multifaceted building. It's a free attraction, and the reason that we have the building here is to encourage people to enjoy the national park and help us to conserve the wonderful landscape that we have here in the west of Wales. It's lit by the sun throughout the day, and we have wool insulation in the walls. We collect rainwater to flush our toilets. We have underfloor heating. So yes, it's one of the most sustainable buildings that we have in this part of Wales. At 12 midday on the 1st of March, the sun comes over the roof and actually lights the St David's stone and lights a star next to the poem that the bard James Nicholas wrote for us. And on that very special day, we have the clergy from St David's Cathedral walk from St Non's on the coast path where St David was born, and then they come to Oriel y Parc just before 12 midday, and then the mayor of the city reads the poem, and we all have a wonderful procession down into the city for a blessing from the square, followed by a concert in the cathedral. We have a very special relationship between Pembrokeshire Coast National Park and the museum. It means that we can inspire people through art to explore the wonderful landscape that we have here. And that really comes from the Graham Sutherland legacy. The Welsh culture and language for us in the National Park is very important. We endeavour to speak Welsh and have our signage in Welsh. St David's is the most popular destination in the whole of Pembrokeshire. The cathedral is a big pull, it's still a pilgrimage. We have 133,000 visitors per annum, and that's rising year on year. We feel as if we're ambassadors for Wales and Pembrokeshire and St David's, so we want to give people the best welcome possible and really exceed their expectations. It's just an absolute privilege to live and work in Pembrokeshire. I pinch myself every day.